Hey, tricky one.
It's our own entity. Our technicians are trained by Scania. They have full access to everything to do with the Scania, buses, trucks, coaches.
Just want to jumpstart and new battery set.
It's good for the customers that they will have a local assistance centre, and it'll also mean that the service coordinators will have better geographical knowledge of Australia and New Zealand with it being more local. The Assistance Centre in Bradford have looked after for Australia for quite a long time now, as well as New Zealand, and the volumes have continued to grow. Due to the demand on the customers now, it's right that we have an Assistance Centre in Melbourne to support the customer needs.
To show the world that Australia is here, Scania matter in Australia too.